So this is the amount of items we have. I'd like to speak with you today about space utilization. Behind me there's a fridge. This is like your old standard, old classic fridge of like side to side. So we have the freezer and then fridge. And we're going to look at the space utilization inside of it. We're going to talk about the difference between space utilization on a property and space utilization on a fridge. We're going to see two comparison of fridge and we're going to see what's the difference. And we will apply that on a property. So let's check it out. Looking at the freezer, the fridge freezer, so this is the old-fashioned style that used to be very popular, still popular in today's time. Let's have a look inside and let's see what's happening. So this is the amount of items we have. As you see, it looks pretty full. So looking at the freezer items, it's like pretty much packed in, isn't it? This is the fridge side. You see it's pretty packed. All the veggies are here, and some items are on the door. I would say it's about 80% full. You could probably move things around and shove a few more boxes, but that's pretty much how it looks. Now we're going to change the fridge, go for a same size fridge, and have a look at the utilization of space inside of it. And that's the double door fridge with a different setup. So you have the freezer down here, and you have the fridge here. As you can notice, it's more open, more wide. Also, you have a lot of space to put things on the door, both on the fridge and the freezer. Great setup. Now let's fill it up and see how it looks like. Okay, so moving to the other fridge. This one have the fridge above and the freezer below. Space is getting utilized slightly better and easier access, so let's have a look inside. So as you can see, there's more space here on the door to put more stuff. Some of the items are here on the side here. And on the fridge itself, you see there's better access to items from different sizes, so from different area. When you look at the freezer, better organized, there's easier access to the doors. You can put more small items, and you can fit a little bit more. So it's the same size of fridge, but you can fit more items. So probably you're asking yourself, why are you telling us about fridge and what does that have to do with the property? The thing is that 100 square meter property, or this fridge that is about 600 liter, it's the same size, same capacity. So on a 100 square meter property, if you utilize the layout in a different way or a smarter way, and you remove all kind of waste of space area, some of it could be in the hallways or an oversized laundry room or an oversized kitchen paths, and you utilize it and reorganize the internal layout in a better and a smart way, you can actually create more value and it'll be easier. Better wardrobe system, better kitchen system. So same space, but will be utilized much better and give you easier living experience, better flow, better value, and more entertainment. And that's the difference between how to utilize the space of fridge as compared to property. Take care. James Goran from the Renovation Team. See you.